A rare sight in France before the pandemic, but very much a part of the new everyday life, wearing a face mask. It's now compulsory in banks, shopping centres and indoor spaces. Shoppers on the streets are already used to wearing one, but some say they now feel more relaxed around people they know.
When we have a drink with friends, we're not that careful like everyone else. But in public spaces, we respect the rules.
I wear a mask each time I'm around unknown people, in shops and closed spaces, but not when I'm home with friends.
I only wear a mask when I'm forced to, like on the subway or at my work, but if it's not mandatory, I take it off.
At the height of the outbreak in France, the government cautioned against wearing face masks, urging the public to leave enough supplies for health workers. Then, after lockdown, the decision to force customers to wear one was up to individual businesses. Now that option has been removed, and there's a $150 fine introduced for non-compliance. Last week, it was possible to go shopping without a face mask. I wear one when I take the train or the bus because they're compulsory on public transport, but this new move means they're also now obligatory in indoor public spaces, like shopping centres. Like other countries, France has adapted policies to the changing nature of the disease. It's brought in widespread testing and a tracking phone app, but cases and clusters are increasing.
The best way to prepare ourselves for a possible resurgence of the epidemic is to strengthen our prevention efforts. This involves increasing the use of masks and intensifying screening. Above all, we must avoid a return to strict and broad forms of lockdown, the human and economic cost of which we're fully aware of.
For ministers, the health situation is still a balancing act between trying to avoid bringing lockdowns back, but also acting fast to control these latest outbreaks of the coronavirus. Ross Cullen, CGTN, Paris.